Good morning, students. Welcome back to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. Students, this is your sixth part of chapter number 13, Why Do We Fall Ill? So let's start this video. Students, in our previous video, we have discussed about disease caused by viruses like influenza. You must have seen my video. Jaundice, that is hepatitis. Now in this video we will talk about rabies, or we can say hydrophobia. This is also a viral disease. Now the bite of a rabid dog, that is mad dog, and some other rabid mammals such as monkeys, cats or rabbits may cause rabies, which is fatal viral disease caused by rabies virus or Lyssa virus, which is present in the saliva of the infected animals. The viruses are injected into human body by the bite of the rabid animal. Disease symptoms are not visible after injection. Even up to 1 to 3 months, the long period of incubation make it possible for a rabies vaccination after a bite to develop immunity and prevent the appearance of disease. Now, what are the symptoms and signs of rabies? The first symptoms of rabies can appear from a few days to more than a year after the bite happens. At first, there is tingling, prickling, or itching feeling around the bite area. A person also might have flu-like symptoms such as a fever, headache, muscle ache, loss of appetite, nausea, and tiredness. After a few days, neurological symptoms develops, including irritability or aggressiveness, गुस्सा ज़्यादा आना, excessive movements or agitation, confusion, bizarre or strange thoughts or hallucinations, muscle spasms and unusual postures, weakness or paralysis when a person cannot move some parts of the body. Paralysis means when a person cannot move some parts of the body. Extreme sensitivity to bright lights, sounds or touch. Someone with rabies can produce a lot of saliva, spit, thuk, and muscle spasms in their throat might make it hard to swallow. This causes the foaming at the mouth, मुंह से झाग निकलना, effect that has long been associated with rabies infection. It also leads to a fear of choking or what seems like a fear of water, another well-known rabies sign. What are the prevention against rabies? Now, tips to prevent rabies. First one is cleaning the wound with carbonic soap and clean water immediately after the dog bite. Any antiseptic medicine like Dettol or Savlon should be applied to the wound caused by dog bite. Vaccinate dogs and cats against rabies as required by law. All dogs and cats more than 4 months of age must be vaccinated against rabies. Keep dogs and cats under control. Leave stray or unknown dogs and cats alone. Loose animals are most likely to have been exposed to rabies and to attack others. Keep pets away from stray too. Leave wild animals alone. Avoid wild animals even if they appear friendly, and do not coax a wild animal to eat from your hand. Do not keep wild animals as pets. Students, another fatal disease caused by virus is AIDS. AIDS stands for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It means full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is a fatal disease. The disease of AIDS is caused by retrovirus or RNA virus known as human immunodeficiency virus. In short, it is known as HIV. AIDS virus attack white blood cells, that is WBCs or lymphocytes of human beings, and weakens the human immunity system or self-defense mechanism. Since AIDS virus reduces the natural immunity of human body, therefore the patient suffering from AIDS become prone to many other infectious diseases. In fact, the patients suffering from AIDS die from other infections called secondary infections. Death occurs because of patient's body cannot resist the attack of pathogens of secondary infection, since patient's natural defense mechanism gets destroyed by an AIDS virus. I will tell you how is HIV spread from person to person. HIV can only be spread through specific activities. The most common ways are having unprotected sex with someone who has HIV without using a condom, or taking medicines to prevent or treat HIV. Thus, AIDS is sexually transmitted disease. Second is sharing injection drug equipment such as needles with someone who has HIV. Third one is from mother to child during pregnancy. This is called vertical transmission. Fourth one is receiving blood transfusion, blood products or organs, tissues, transplants that are contaminated with HIV. Sixth one is being bitten up by a person with HIV. And last one is eating food that has been pre-chewed by a person with HIV. What are the symptoms of AIDS? As soon as HIV enters the body, it begins to destroy cells. Some common symptoms include diarrhea that lasts for more than a week, dry cough, memory loss, depression, and neurological disorders, pneumonia, rapid weight loss, reoccurring fever or profuse night sweats, red, brown, pink, or purplish blotches on or under the skin or inside the mouth, nose, and eyelids, swollen lymph glands in the armpits, groin on neck, white spots or unusual blemishes on the tongue, in the mouth, or in the throat. And AIDS virus causes severe damage to brain and may lead to loss of memory, ability to speak, and of clear thinking. What are the prevention and control of AIDS disease? As you know, no medicine or vaccine has been developed to cure AIDS. So once a person gets AIDS, he is sure to die in short span of time. The following steps may help in controlling infection of this dreaded disease. First one is people should be educated from AIDS transmission. Second one is disposable syringe and needles should be used for injection. third one is sexual contact with unknown people should be avoided. Fourth preventive measure is high risk groups should refrain from donating blood. Fifth one is sterilized needle may be provided to drug addict. Sixth one is before receiving blood for transfusion, one should ensure that it has been screened for HIV. And seventh one is the common razor at the barber's shop should not be used. Our next disease is polio. Poliomyelitis or polio is a disease of the nervous system caused by one of the smallest known virus called poliovirus. The virus enters the body through the food and water and reaches the intestine, and from there it enters the central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord, via blood stream and lymphatic system. In CNS, that is central nervous system, the virus destroys the motor nerve cells of spinal cord that are responsible for muscular control. Therefore, the muscles of polio infected person becomes incapable of carrying out the normal functions. Polio is a kind of paralysis or mostly affect the legs. Children between the age of 6 months and 3 years are more prone to polio infection. Polio is transmitted among children by the facio-oral routine and through the direct contact, dirty hands, contaminated food or milk and flies. Signs and symptoms of polio which can last up to 10 days include fever, sore throat, headache, vomiting, fatigue, back pain or stiffness, neck pain or stiffness in the arms or legs, muscle weakness or tenderness, paralytic syndrome. Within a week, however, other signs and symptoms appear including loss of reflexes, severe muscle aches or weakness, loose and floppy limbs, post-polio syndrome, progressive muscle or joint weakness and pain, fatigue, muscle wasting, atrophy, breathing or swallowing problems, sleep related breathing disorders such as sleep apnea, decreased tolerance of cold temperatures. Prevention against polio is complete rest and physiotherapy is helpful in the beginning of the polio virus attack. Exercise of leg is done to reduce the paralytic effect. Maintenance of hygiene by proper sanitation, disposal of waste is an essential step for prevention of polio. Nowadays, oral polio vaccine is given orally to the children. Now our topic is pulse polio immunization program. Pulse polio is an immunization campaign established by the government of India to eliminate poliomyelitis, that is polio, in India by vaccinating all children under the age of 5 years against the polio virus. The project fights polio through a large scale pulse vaccination program and monitoring for poliomyelitis cases. Vellore, that is in Tamil Nadu, was the first Indian state to become 100% polio free through the pulse strategy, and rest of India adopted the strategy in 1995. The Pulse Polio Initiative PPI aims at covering every individual in the country. It aspires to reach even children in remote communities through an improved social mobilization plan. Not a single children should miss the immunization and leaving no chance of polio occurrence. So student, this is the end of today's video. We will meet again tomorrow with some interesting topics. Up till then, goodbye and thank you.